Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can report players in Valorant. So for instance, you're in the same team with them and they're trolling or something and you just want to report that person. You're just going to go to career and you are just going to click on like this over here. So I play competitive in this one. Go to scoreboard and go to the, for instance, this person's um, name. Right click and press report. Um, and that is basically it. I think they ask you why you're reporting them. You can also do it when you're in game and it will affect them. It will affect their account. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!